Hello viewers and welcome to the Luo English Dictionary channel. If you're new here, I request that please subscribe and turn on the notification bell on so that you never miss a video that we post when we post. My name is Agina.
And my name is Nikki.
Now today we are going to talk about homographs. I hope that's the right thing. Yes, we are going to talk about homographs. That is, words that are spelled the same but have different meanings. So if you're new here, we've done a lot of work. This is our 71st video, and you can go through all our videos so that you just see what we've done, and you can leave comments in any of the videos and then we'll give you what you're looking for. So homographs, Nikki, I have words here. Even though I have only given 2 or 3 meanings, they may have more than that. So we'll just move on with what we have now and then we'll enrich the video. The first one is this word. Now this word has 2 sounds. The first sound is BoBo. Say BoBo.
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 And the second sound is Buco.
Buco.
So BoBo.
BoBo.
Buco.
Buco.
Now Buco is pumpkin.
Pumpkin.
BoBo is to keep company. Like if your friend came to our house, then if she's keeping you company, then we say "Oh BoBo." Okay, so those are the 2 words, BoBo and Buco. Number 2,
Acham.
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 And the other one is acham.
Acham.
Can you say both of them?
Acham. Acham.
Yes. Acham is left-handed. So if you're left-handed, or the left hand, called acham. But if you want to eat, if you want to eat, maybe you had a fruit and then you're asking me, can I eat? Then you say acham. So one is what?
Acham.
And one is?
Acham.
Good. Number 3?
Achiel.
Achiel. So achiel is? 1. Achiel.
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 Can I fry it? So if you have eggs and you're asking, you can ask like if you have eggs, you can achiel. So can I fry? So there's achiel and achiel, same spelling. Number 4?
Buco. Buco.
Buco.
Buco.
Buco.
Buco.
Now there is Buco. Buco is begin without cause. Like if I just, you see, without reason I just push you. So that is Buco. If you want to start a fight, that is Buco. And then Buco. Buco is painting. So if you want to paint a room, you say Adwa Buco. So Buco. Buco. Very close. Number 5?
Bor.
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 And boor.
Bor.
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 Boor.
Bor.
Bor is a boil or a swelling. You know, if you have a swelling on your like that has some pus, that is called bor. But if you're digging a pit for putting in how you call it, trash, that is called bor.
Bor.
So you have bor, boor, and bor. Bor is the one for the boil, and boor is the pit. Say it again.
Bor.
And?
Bor.
You're saying the same thing. Bor.
Bor.
Boor.
Bor.
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 Boor.
Bor.
Yeah. Take some time. Now, the next one is
Check.
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 Check is a short person. So if you're short, you're check.
Check.
And if it's ripe, like a ripe mango. Is it mango or tomato or tomato? If it's ripe, you say check.
Check.
So short and ripe, check and check, and it's the same sound for this because it's the same thing.
Cielo.
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 Cielo. This cielo pierce. You know, if you pierce something with, like if you're going to hunt and you pierce it with a spear, that's cielo. Now, if you're frying, you remember aciel? Now, if you're frying, you say cielo. I'm frying.
Acielo.
Acielo. Then, if you're fencing off your house, you don't want people to come to your place, then you say acielo. So cielo, cielo, cielo. All of them are same thing. Cielo. Cielo. Say cielo.
Cielo.
Then the next thing is what?
Chin.
Chien.
Chin.
Chien.
Chin.
Chien is behind. Chienka.
Chin.
Behind. Chien. Then there is chien.
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 Chien is to bewitch. You know bewitching?
Bewitching. No.
Like, you know haunting? Like if someone is, you say if you have a ghost.
Ghosts are not real.
Yes, I know, but now that if you have a ghost and it's haunting you, we say chiena. It is or chieni.
Or chieni.
Yes, so it's haunting you or it's bewitching. If you're bewitched, you say or chiene.
Or chien.
Yes. So chien is behind. Chien. Chien is haunting. Hound. Is this hound or hound? What we'll do is we'll transcribe this so you can put in the captions. You can see the captions.
Chico.
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 There is Chico and there is Chico.
Chico.
Now, if you have a baby and you're throwing it up like this, you know when you're playing with a baby and throwing it up like that? That is Chico.
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 But if you're paying attention to what I'm saying, that is Chico.
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 That's it. Now, whatever number.
Chickrock.
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 Chickrock is an agreement. Like if you have an agreement with you, we say there's a one chickrock. One chickrock. We have an agreement. But again, chickrock is jumping. So if you jump, it is chickrock.
Chickrock.
Good. So we'll do a second part of this video just to give you, we have a lot of words. A lot of words have the same meaning. And that's why Luo is condensed into very few words. If you enjoyed this video, please give it a thumbs up. Yes, please give it a thumbs and please subscribe. Hey, please subscribe. And thank you for those who've been giving us comments. Thank you for those who've been supporting us in any way. And Nikki will end it in how many minutes? In 3 seconds.
20 seconds.
Yep.
If you enjoyed this video, please make sure you give it a like, subscribe, turn on the notification bell on so you never miss a video that we post when we post. You can follow us on Facebook and Twitter as Luo English Dictionary, and for now, Oriti, goodbye.
3 seconds left. There you go.